So I also did 2 latches on, because if this is a silverware drawer, I did those latches, that latch, and it's really slick. Just pop it in like that, and nice and flush. This one has to go up a little bit higher. There we go. But yeah, I had to redo the other ones that I did. I had to drill out some screws on these ones. Really pissed me off, but I got it done. I changed out that hardware, and so I'm gonna really like, once I get some doorknobs on, I'm gonna really like